प्लस मतलब थॉट प्रोसेस में भी मेरे काफी चेंजेस आ गए हैं।
That's very interesting.
बहुत I'm really feeling so happy.
Yes.
एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ अभी 2 दिन पहले, कोई मेरे को इनवाइट किया बट आई कुड नॉट गो। वो मेरे ऊपर थोड़ा ऐसे नाराज हो गई, लेकिन उन्होंने मेरे को काफी कुछ कहा, लेकिन मन से मेरे को लगा नहीं, सॉरी बोलना चाहिए उनको। मैं फ्रस्ट्रेट नहीं हुई, उनके ऊपर कोई गुस्सा नहीं हुई, मैं मानसिक रूप से उनको सॉरी कहा।
हाँ.
तो मैंने महसूस किया कि ये मेरे थॉट प्रोसेस में चेंजिंग आ रहे हैं अभी।
Yes, lovely. Thank you for sharing.
Yes.
So amazing, na?
Yeah.
And in this just 2-3 days.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have yet so many days to go. It's a 30 days journey. Today is day
Yes.
4. So if you go to see, we started day 0. And today is the 4th chapter.
Fourth.
There are 28 practices which we are going to do. And all of them, I promise to you, all of them are magical. And you know, you will experience different things each day. You will grow, and you keep on growing. Anybody else has any sharing? For those of you who are on the call, please share, even if it's a one line sharing. You know, when we share, we actually increase our feelings, and it helps us to keep us in that feeling zone.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
I'm Hinasha.
Yes.
आपने बोला वन लाइन में, तो मैं वैसे ही वन लाइन में बोलने वाली थी कि मैं ये टाइम का रात से इंतजार करती हूँ कि कब मेरी ये रात स्थिति मेरी पूरी हो जाए, मॉर्निंग हो जाए। आज मैं 4:30 वेकअप हो गई, उठ गई हूँ।
Yes.
और फिर मैंने वो ब्लेजिंग्स 5 वो फिक्स टाइम मैंने कर दिया, तो वो लिख दिया। Thank you so much, Vandana.
Thank you so
and
much for
thank you
sharing.
all my participants. Thank you
too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have become like one family now.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Good and healthy family.
Yes.
I am from Ahmedabad.
Okay. Okay. Nice for sharing that. And Bharatji is also from Ahmedabad, right?
Yeah, is my hubby, my husband.
Oh, okay.
He is now on travel, so maybe on coverage तो वो joint हो गए,
हाँ,
भी
हाँ.
travel.
नहीं तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग सुन सकते हैं.
अच्छा, ओके, तो
हाँ,
वो
बट
आप
यू नो मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर, आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में हो ना?
हाँ हूँ मैं, वो भी है।
हाँ, तो लेकिन लाइव सेशंस का एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस होता है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज इट इज अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, जबकि हमने कुछ और चीजों को अंदर अपने दिमाग में डाला नहीं है, एंड वी आर क्वाइट फ्रेश. So, and also the collective energy of all the participants, you know, इधर हम एकदम connected है, we all are connected, otherwise also, but एक अलग ही connection हो जाता है, and energetically we all are connected when we are in a live session. Although हम एक दूसरे के सामने नहीं हैं, but फिर भी हम एक दूसरे के सामने हैं.
Yes, absolutely. Right.
So Vandana, you'll probably repeat this session sometime, no?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yes. We also will recap after a while again.
Yes. Thank you. I am, you know, what I've thought is that it will be a continuous thing now.
Okay.
And I have kept this time only for this
Okay.
specific thing.
Hmm.
And maybe we'll do something else, the second book, which is The Power.
Okay.
So
Very good.
that's a thing which will take you to a different space.
Okay. But we didn't do the first book then.
We are doing no, acha, The Secret. Yeah. So Secret is actually there's you know, if you see the movie,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
a nice question, Uma. Never
Yes.
thought about it. But
Ah,
Secret, when you see the movie, it's, you know, you can understand, and many people have earlier also. I mean, some of us have seen the movie,
yes.
so it's quite. The movie itself is quite explainable.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's explainable. I'm not saying. I thought, this. But this book is good because it has a day-to-day practice.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that's good.
yes. And those practices also are designed in such a beautiful way.
Hmm.
You know, it's a very scientific way that these all these practices are designed. We'll understand as we go further. So yes, there's last 1 minute before we begin. 30 seconds to be precise.
मैंने अब ये डिसाइड किया है कि मैं जो भी, वैसे तो मैं सबको गिफ्ट देती हूँ तो बुक्स ही देती हूँ,
हाँ,
पर अब मैंने तय किया है कि भाई अब मैं जो भी किसी को भी गिफ्ट दूंगी तो ये सीक्रेट मैजिक की गिफ्ट दूंगी. आई लव इट.
दैट्स वेरी नाइस. और जब आप बुक दोगे ना, तो
हाँ.
अपना एक इंटेंशन भी डाल देना उसमें.
ओके ओके.
यू नो, जब आप बुक दे रहे हो, आप बहुत अच्छे दिल से बुक दे रहे हो, एक और इंटेंशन भी डाल दीजिएगा कि जो भी ये बुक, जब आप ये बुक पढ़ोगे तो आपकी लाइफ में मैजिक जरूर आएंगे.
ओके.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy morning.
Happy
Good
morning.
morning, Margi.
Hi. Nice to see your face on camera in the morning.
वंदना जी, मैं एक बात बताऊं, ये मेरी डॉटर, जैसी ये नहीं
चलेगा
बोल रही है,
daughter.
मैं डॉटर ही हूँ मैं. तो उन्होंने, मैं कभी वीडियो के साथ वो फेस ऑन करके
Webinar.
नहीं बात कर रही थी, तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, क्या है कि आप फेस ऑन करके, वीडियो ऑन करके ही आप बोलो तो कॉन्फिडेंट आएगा आप. तो आज मैं
यस.
पहली बार वीडियो ऑन करके बात कर रही हूँ आप लोगों के
हाँ,
साथ.
मैं पहली बार, हम लोग आपको पहली बार देख पा रहे हैं. And
हाँ
my
तो
invitation to all of you is, if you can, please put your video on.
So that we can connect, na?
Yes, yes, yes. We can connect because we connect visually very beautifully.
Yes.
Yes. So yes, it's time to begin our session. Day 4. So happy morning, everyone. Welcome everybody to this beautiful journey. And today is day 4 of our book reading, magic book reading, Magical Health. So yes, we are done with our sharings now. Let's begin, because today's chapter is a little longer chapter, and we'll come to know why it is long. So it might take little, we might go little ahead, 10-15 minutes. I'll try to complete the chapter on time, but if it goes ahead, we can just stay on the call. So who is nominating today? कौन पढ़ना चाहता है? Please unmute yourself and tell your name so that we can start the reading.
Yeah, Vandana.
Yes, please tell your name.
Usha,
Yes, Usha.
I am ready.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. So yeah, day 4, magical health.
Yeah.
1 second.
Dave,
1 second.
can I start?
Yes. Yes, you can begin, Usha ji.
Yeah. The greatest wealth is health. Virgil 70 BC 19 BC Roman poet. Health is the most precious thing in life, and yet more than anything else, we can take our health for granted. For many of us, the only time we think of our health, health is when we lost it. Then the realization hits us. Without our health, we have nothing.
Yes. So the greatest wealth is health. Such a profound statement. कितना ये statement में कितनी deeper meaning है. So can
Yeah.
anybody look into the dictionary and tell me what is the meaning of wealth? Just look into the dictionary because हमें पता है wealth का मतलब, पर जब हम dictionary में देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है अरे ऐसा भी meaning है, ये भी meaning है. We get clear, we get more clarity about the meaning of a word. Hence, I'm telling you to look into the dictionary. Anyone, please look into the dictionary and write it on the chat. What is the meaning of wealth? Yes. Is anybody looking? You can look into your phone, you can Google it and see. If you don't have a dictionary in front of you, Google and it will just come in, pop up in 1 minute if you type.
Abundance of 1 minute, I'll just read it. Abundance of valuable possessions or money.
Yes. Anybody else? That's a very nice, beautiful meaning which has come up. Abundance of valuable possessions or money. Okay, so when I looked into the dictionary, I came with this meaning: assets, money, property, and valuable possessions. And abundance of everything is wealth. So, since childhood, we all have heard this beautiful proverb: greatest wealth is health.
Right.
ये सुना है, हेल्थ मतलब स्वास्थ्य. सो हमारी सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति स्वास्थ्य है. You know, I feel health is one area which we have taken, all of us have taken for granted. जब हमारी लाइफ में कुछ होता है, जब हमारी बॉडी में, हमारे माइंड में कुछ होता है, तभी हम उसके बारे में सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं. लेकिन उसके पहले हम जस्ट सोचते हैं अरे इसमें क्या सोचना है, हेल्थ तो है ही, हम बिल्कुल हेल्दी है, हम सुबह उठते हैं, हमारी बॉडी मूव होती है, कुछ भी नहीं है, एंड वी आर हेल्दी. यस, हम ऐसा ही सोचते हैं. सो दिस बुक इज डिजाइन इन सच अ वे कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये हमको, according to the importance of that thing in our life, it is throwing light on those things. So first हमने relationship पे किया, जो हमारे चारों तरफ लोग हैं, जो कल का चैप्टर था, और आज हम कर रहे हैं हेल्थ के बारे में. क्यों, हम मनी के बारे में भी कर सकते थे, पर नहीं, उसके पहले हेल्थ इज इम्पोर्टेंट. जब हेल्थ ही नहीं होगा तो हाउ विल वी एग्जिस्ट, हम कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. एंड let me draw your attention to that health is not only the physical health, it is the mental health also. Most important, our mental health also. Yes, please read.
There is an Italian proverb that speaks the truth about health for many of us. He who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows it not. While we rarely think of our health when we are well, you will have felt the truth of those words even when you had something minor like a cold or the flu, and you were bedridden when you are not well. All you want is to feel better, and nothing else matters other than
having your health back again.
other than having your health back again.
Yes. So, if I'm just remembering this while we are reading, the first line of, something which I had read many years back, Pehla Sukh Nirogi Kaya. The first, thing of happiness, what we can think is a healthy body. Yes. And जब भी हमारे हेल्थ में जब कभी ब्रेकडाउन आता है ना, हमारे कभी जैसे कुछ सर्दी लग गई या सर दर्द हो रहा है या बॉडी पेन हो रहा है या नी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई है या लोअर बैक में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई है या शोल्डर्स पेन हो रहा है, तभी हम अपने हेल्थ के बारे में सोचना शुरू करते हैं. और जस्ट इफ समबडी, दो जन आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, और क्या हालचाल है, अरे मेरी पीठ में बहुत दर्द है, अरे मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ, अरे मेरे नी में पेन है, मैं बैठ नहीं पा रही हूँ, और क्या हालचाल है, अरे बहुत सर दर्द है, आज कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्यों सर दर्द है. और दिस इज द वे हम अपनी लाइफ को जीते जाते हैं. हम खुद ही सोच लेते हैं ना, अभी जो हमारे वर्ल्ड में जो सिचुएशन आई हुई है, जो पैंडेमिक है, और अभी हम सब हेल्थ की इंपॉर्टेंस को फील कर रहे हैं, सब लगे हुए हैं अपनी इम्यूनिटी को कैसे बढ़ाएं. तो हमने कभी पहले ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं था. सो जब हेल्थ को पता चला, अरे नोबडी इज थिंकिंग, कोई सोच नहीं रहा है, तो उसने कहा चलो अभी मैं बताता हूँ, अभी आप लोग को सबको सोचना होगा. ओके, आई विल शो यू. और सो नाउ जैसे किसी को कुछ सर्दी लग गई, हम बाहर गए हैं, किसी ने एक छींक भी ले ली ना, तो उसको हम जाके बोलते हैं क्यों, और सब ठीक है ना. We just look at that person. So this is what we are learning. The book is trying to tell us that if we take things for granted, then that thing automatically, it comes in front of us and says, okay, now enough. Shift your focus now. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Health is a gift of life. It is something you receive and continue to receive each day. In addition to everything else we do to be healthy, we have to be grateful for our health to continue to receive more health. Remember, whoever has gratitude for health will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. You may know of people who choose a healthy lifestyle and yet still lost their health. Giving thanks in return for health you are receiving is vital. When you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health to you. You will also begin to see the improvement to your health happen right away. Little aches and pains, moles, scares, or marks will start to magically disappear, and you will notice your energy, vitality, and happiness increase markedly.
Yes. So I really love these lines. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Now, what is something else is added? Gratitude for what? Gratitude for health, because that is our chapter today. whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he or she will be taken from him or her. So very, 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 very important lines. Just keep on remembering these lines. And this book is very, very scientifically designed. जो structure बना है ना इस book का, so if we see it's divided, it can be divided into 4 weeks. The first week it will teach us how to crawl. कैसे हम crawl करना सीखते हैं. First week is all about that. The second week it will teach us how to walk. The third week it will teach us how to run. And the fourth week it will teach us, it will become feather-like. It will teach us how to fly. So my invitation to all of you is that please be in tune with all the days, because each day is interconnected with the other. And each day you will find more and more magics appearing in your life. And this is not I am saying, it's a promise of the book. The book says that. So you may know of people who chose a healthy lifestyle. So हमने अपने चारों तरफ कुछ ऐसे लोगों को हमारी लाइफ में है जो they're very healthy. I mean they on the outside it feels that they are doing everything that they can do for their life. मतलब उनके घर में सब healthy चीजें आएंगी, सब organic चीजें आएंगी. They will go to the gym, they will do yoga, they will do all the exercises. But ऐसा होता है कि I'm not saying of everybody, but कुछ लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है कि जब भी कोई weather change होगा तो immediately it will affect them. They are like the weathercock. उनको अपने आप उनकी बॉडी में कुछ होने लगेगा. So why is that? Because there's one missing link in their life, which is giving thanks in return for the health they are receiving. They're just living a mechanical life, just moving, just in the rat race, doing whatever they are doing. And I'm not saying it happens with everybody, but for some of us. So this is what the book is trying to tell us, that what is the missing link is giving thanks in return for the health you're receiving is vital. जब हम grateful होते हैं अपने health के लिए, जब हम कृतज्ञ होते हैं अपने health के लिए, so then we see that the little aches and pains जो हमारे body में जो अभी हम महसूस करेंगे, जब हम आज करेंगे आज की exercise, so we will actually experience this, that जो छोटे मोटे जो हमारे pains है body में, so our body has its own intellect. हमारी body में एक intelligence होती है. जब कोई हमारी body में अगर कुछ pain आ रहा है कहीं पे भी, चाहे वो shoulder में हो, चाहे elbow में हो, चाहे wrist में हो, चाहे fingers, चाहे joints, चाहे knees, चाहे lower back, चाहे just the neck, अचानक से हम सुबह उठे और कुछ pain के साथ उठे और हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा हमने क्या किया, पर हमारी बॉडी को वो इंटेलिजेंस है. हमारी बॉडी it never tells a lie. A body never tells a lie. So it is trying to tell you something, that yes, you need to focus on this part of your life. We'll understand how. So there is a book which is called Heal Your Life by Louis Hay. उस बुक में बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है एक एक पेन हमारे कौन से thought से connected है. So let me explain to you this in very short, that for us, for our mind, everything starts with a thought. एक विचार दिमाग में आता है. Thoughts create emotions, feelings होती हैं. जैसे भी कोई भी एक thought, अभी जैसे अभी आप सुन रहे हैं, just make a note, आपकी feelings क्या है. हर thought से एक feelings निकलती है, एक एक्सपीरियंस निकलता है. जैसे हम कुछ सोच रहे हैं, हम कुछ मैकेनिकली भी सोच सकते हैं, लेकिन जब हम अच्छे से बैठे हैं और कुछ सोच रहे हैं, या अनकॉन्शियसली भी कुछ थॉट, हर थॉट एक फीलिंग प्रोड्यूस करता है. थॉट्स क्रिएट इमोशंस, इमोशंस देन गो टू द फिजिकल बॉडी. जो हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी है उधर वो इमोशंस ट्रैवल करती है. And then from the emotions go to the energy body. So thoughts create emotions, emotions go to the energy body, the body which is all around us, जो हम देख नहीं सकते हैं पर हम महसूस कर सकते हैं. So then from the energy body, it goes into the physical body. This is the travel of a disease. This is what these lines, little aches and pains, moles, scars, or marks will start to magically disappear, and you will notice your energy, vitality, जो ऊर्जा है हमारे अंदर, उसमें हम चेंजेस महसूस करेंगे. एंड हमारी खुशी, जो हम कुछ लोगों ने आज शेयर किया कि देयर इज एन अनएक्सप्लेनेबल हैप्पीनेस. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. एक स्टरिंग चालू हो गई है. हमने एक्चुअल में कुछ मूवमेंट चालू कर दिया है. जो मैजिक का जो मोशन है वो हमारे लाइफ में शुरू हो गई है. और अगर हम जैसा जैसा ये बुक बोल रही है, सेम अगर हम वैसा वैसा करते रहेंगे, जो हमने पास्ट में जो नॉलेज किया है, एक बार के लिए माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज, वी ऑल हैव लॉट्स ऑफ नॉलेज. उस नॉलेज को एक बार हम थोड़ा सा एक साइड में रख देंगे, और जो ये बुक हमें कह रहा है, हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप वी जस्ट फॉलो इट. सो राइट नाउ वी आर जस्ट लर्निंग how to crawl in this world of magic. Yes, please read.
As you will learn in a later practice, through the daily practice of gratitude for your health, you can improve your eyesight, hearing, and all of your senses, along with every function in your entire body. And all of it happens like magic. Gratitude is a vaccine, an antioxidant, and an antiseptic. Written by John Henry Jovich.
1864 to 1923. Presbyterian
preacher and writer.
Yes. So this is a beautiful line. Gratitude is a vaccine. It's a vaccination. How? Because जब हम कृतज्ञता I mean, when we feel gratitude, when we feel grateful, when we feel thankful, so actually हम एक invisible shield बना रहे हैं अपनी चारों तरफ. That's why it says it's a vaccination. It protects you from all the toxins around you. जो हमारे चारों तरफ नकारात्मक चीजें हैं, उनसे ये हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती है. You know, it's an invisible shield. और हम एक्चुअली उसको फील कर सकते हैं, और हमने फील करना शुरू कर दिया है. It's an antiseptic. Wow, it's you know, we don't need to do anything when we are doing this. These are the lines written by John Henry Jowett. It's so profound. And when did he write this? 1864. You know, maybe his period, his lifespan, it's written 1864 to 1923. So many thousands of years back, and this was written that gratitude is a vaccine. ये एक vaccination है जो हमारे चारों तरफ एक अदृश्य, you know, a shield create कर देता है. Yes. Yeah, I'll just change the page. The degree that you are grateful for, please read. Usha ji?
The degree that you are grateful for your health is the exact degree that your health will magically increase, and the degree that you are not grateful is the exact that your health will decrease. Living with a decreased amount of health means your energy, vitality, immune system, clarity of thought, and every other function of your body and mind is weakened. Being grateful for your health ensures that you will continue to receive more health to be grateful for, and at the same time it eliminates stress and tension in your body and mind. Scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Studies have also revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer.
यस सो आप अपने लिए आप हम देख सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं कि जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं इस मैजिकल जर्नी में, द इंटेंसिटी द इंटेंसिटी दैट विच यू आर ग्रेटफुल इज, जो जिस डिग्री के साथ हम अपने थैंकफुलनेस, अपनी कृतज्ञता को बताते हैं, उस डिग्री के साथ ही हमको वापस मिल रहा है. इनफैक्ट वी रिसीव, what I feel is we receive more than what we give. जो हम थोड़ा बहुत कुछ करना शुरू किए हैं अपने लाइफ में, हमें कुछ कितनी चेंजेस आ रही है हमारे लाइफ में. लिविंग विद अ डिक्रीज अमाउंट ऑफ हेल्थ मीन्स, अगर हम ग्रैटिट्यूड कम दे रहे हैं या हम जितना भी हम दे रहे हैं, इसका मतलब डिक्रीज अमाउंट ऑफ हेल्थ मीन्स क्या, कि हमारी एनर्जी, हमारी ऊर्जा जो है, अगर हम we can look for ourselves that अगर हम we have a habit of procrastinating, we feel lazy, we feel confused. So ये सब अगर हम gratitude दे रहे हैं तो हमारे ये सब चीजें और अपने आप ही इंक्रीज होनी शुरू हो जाएगी. The ball is set into motion. And yeah, 1 second. So this the next para, that scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Why? Because the moment we are stressed, the moment we are tense, the moment we are stress or tension, दो चीज के लिए आ सकता है. या तो we are thinking more of we are thinking more of the past जो भी हुआ है, या हम future के लिए. Whenever we are in the present moment, then we are never stressed or tensed, and they are the root of many diseases. Is because जब भी हम ये दो emotions के साथ होते हैं तो हमारी feelings जो है ना वो बिल्कुल change हो जाती है. We feel disappointed. So and then as we discussed, every thought creates emotions. Emotions go to the energy body, and from the energy body it goes to the physical body. Yeah, and it's a fact that it has stated that people who practice gratitude, they heal faster. Yes, and are likely to live 7 years longer. हमारी लाइफ स्पैन इंक्रीज हो जाती है. Because when you are in a gratitude, actually you must have noticed, you just be in the moment, you are present in the moment. There is nothing that you think, that the level of anxiety decreases, because you've accepted, you are in that state of in that mode of acceptance, and there's so much of satisfaction which is there, and most important, you are in that joyful and happy state. So kabhi, this is the travel of the feelings. Sometimes you feel joyful, sometimes you feel happy, and gratitude is the highest feeling. That's why this book has, it's requesting again and again to be in that feeling of gratitude, which will take you closer to your dreams. And just closer to gratitude is the feeling of love. So it's love, then gratitude, then happiness, then joy, then satisfaction, then acceptance. So we'll talk about the feeling chart once, when the chapter is small and we have enough time. Yeah, please read.
You can see in the state of your health right now how grateful you have been. You should feel amazing every day. If you feel heavy and life feels like a real effort to get through, or if you don't feel younger than your age, then you are living with decreased health. One of the major causes of the loss of vitality is a lack of gratitude. All of that is about to change. Though, because you are going to use gratitude's magical power for the health of your body.
Yes.
The me-
So you don't feel younger than your age. You know what? Whenever I think about my age, it's been years. I think that I'm just 30 or 35. You know, so my invitation to all of you is whenever anybody asks your age, or you know, whenever you think about it, just say I am this many years young. Never say I am these many years old. And also just keep on thinking yourself to be more, you know, ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि अरे अब तो एज आ गया है अभी क्या, you know, I've crossed 40. So these are the beliefs that we have put in our mind कि 45 के बाद ऐसा होगा, 50 के बाद तो, you know, we have heard, these are the inputs that has gone because of whatever. So now let's change our perception. Let's feel that we are still young. There's so much of energy, there's so much of vitality, there's so much of joy. Let us become childlike. Remember the first day the book spoke, and we felt that the book is trying to tell us that become like a child. Let the inner child in you be alive. उसको वापस से हमें जगाना है. जो हमारे अंदर जो एक बच्चा है उसे हमें जगाना है. That inner child, if that is alive, then no matter, even if we become 90 years, you know, I have seen people who are 90, 92 and they're so active. How does that happen? Because their mind is young. Their mind is young. It doesn't matter. And even if your mind is young, your physical body will also be young. So never think that, oh, I have become this old. Just think, I am young. I am 50 years young. I am 60 years young. I'm 90 years young. You know, it shakes our belief system that yes, but then each and every cell in our body is understanding our thoughts. It's reading our thoughts. It's absorbing our thoughts. And even if so each and every cell in the body is eavesdropping on whatever we are thinking, whatever we are feeling. So yes, please read ahead.
The magical health practice begins with reading through the following paragraph about the health of your body. After you read each italic line for a particular part for your body, close your eyes and mentally repeat the
Italicized
line, feeling as grateful as you can for the part of your body. Remember that when you think about why you are grateful, it will help you feel gratitude more deeply, and the deeper
you feel it,
the faster you will feel and see the amazing results in your body.
yes. So now we'll do a visualization instead of reading this entire thing. I'm going to take you to a beautiful space. We will be doing a visualization wherein, so all of us, if we are, you know, if we are not sitting straight, my invitation and my request to all of you is please sit straight. If you're sitting on a chair and if you are crossing your legs, uncross your legs. If, for those of us might be traveling and if you are hearing this, please uncross your legs and sit. If you are sitting down, you can make yourself as comfortable as you can. We'll be doing a visualization of our own body. So if we all are ready, we can begin. Take 3 breaths. Breathe in a long inhalation and a longer exhalation. Once again, breathe in Take a deep breath in and exhale out longer. Make your exhalations longer than your inhalations. Release what you have stored in the body, the past memories, the past experiences as you exhale out. And now take your focus on your legs. अपने फोकस को, अपना सारा ध्यान अपने पैरों पे दे दीजिए, जिनसे आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. Think about the things you use the legs for. जैसे कि हम अपने लेग्स पे खड़े हो सकते हैं. हमारी बॉडी का पूरा वेट हमारी लेग्स लेती हैं. हम बैलेंस कर सकते हैं, हम सकते हैं, हम एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. We can dance on a beautiful number. We can dance on a beautiful song. And we can climb the steps. हम सीढ़ियां चढ़ सकते हैं. हम अब कहीं भी जाना हो तो हम अपनी कार को चला सकते हैं. Look at, observe, ध्यान दीजिए. Miracle of walking. हम जब सुबह उठते हैं तो बिना कुछ हमारे सोचे हमारे पाँव हमें खड़ा कर देते हैं और हम बाथरूम तक जा सकते हैं, किचन तक जा सकते हैं. हमें पानी पीना हो तो हम पानी के पास जा सकते हैं. हम अपनी कार तक वॉक कर सकते हैं. हम स्ट्रीट्स में वॉक कर सकते हैं. We can go and walk in an airport. We can walk along a beach. हम जॉग कर सकते हैं. हमें मैराथन रन करना है और हम इन पाँव से हम मैराथन रन कर सकते हैं. The ability to walk gives us freedom. ये जो हमें स्वच्छंदता मिली है, ये हमारे पाँवों के कारण ही मिली है. And now you all will repeat. Say thank you. अब मेंटली आप रिपीट करेंगे या आप अपने आप में धीरे से बोलेंगे और हो सके तो अपने दोनों पाँव को छू लेंगे, पाँव के कोई भी पार्ट को छू लेंगे. एक लविंग एनर्जी के साथ छुएंगे. अपने हाथों को अपने पाँव के जहां तक आप पहुंच सकते हैं उस पार्ट को छुएंगे और कहेंगे थैंक यू माय लेग्स एंड फीट एंड I really love you. I love you for being there with me. So many years you have been there with me. जब मैंने पहले बार, जब मैं एक बच्ची थी या बच्चा था, मैंने पहली बार चलना सीखा था. And you made me see the world around. Thank you for being there. And then bring your focus to your arms and hands. And whenever you're saying thank you, please smile. Smile and say thank you. Now shifting your focus अपने हाथों पे अपना ध्यान ले जाइए. And महसूस करिए कि कितनी चीजें हम अपने हाथों से करते हैं दिन भर में. हमारे हाथ हमारे टूल्स है. They are the tools of my life. And non-stop I am using them every day. My hands, they allow me to write, eat a meal, use a phone. Right now when I came to the session, it was through my hands that I put my laptop on or my phone on, and I'm able to be in the session. I take my shower, I get dressed, I use the bathroom, I pick up things and hold them, and so many other things that I do is possible only because of you, my hands. Without you, I would be dependent on other people. I wouldn't have been able to do things on my own. And now say, thank you, my arms, hands and fingers. Dhanyavad. मेरी भुजाएं, मेरे हाथ और मेरी उंगलियां, धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Thank you for being there. And now think about your amazing senses, the 5 sense organs, your sense of taste. अपना focus अपने जीभ पर ले आइए जिससे हम taste कर पाते हैं. It gives me so much pleasure multiple times during the day. मैं अलग अलग चीजों को खाती हूँ, अलग अलग चीजों को पीती हूँ और उनका टेस्ट मुझे आता है. किसके द्वारा? It's because of you, my tongue. You know from losing your taste sense of touch through a cold that the joy of eating and drinking disappears. And thank you for being there. Even I'm able to speak because of you, because the tongue moves up and down in the mouth. And जो saliva जो mouth में generate होता है, उसका taste, उसका feeling भी, it is my tongue, it is through my tongue. अगर यह नहीं होता तो मेरे sense of taste का तो कुछ पता ही नहीं होता. I would not be able to experience it and I would not be able to explain it. So thank you for my amazing sense of taste. And now bring your focus to your nose, the sense of smell that enables me to experience beautiful fragrances. कितनी सारी अलग अलग तरह की खुशबू मेरे चारों तरफ है जिन्हें मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर सकती हूँ just because of you, my nose. I can smell the flowers and एक फ्लावर का अलग स्मेल है, दूसरे फ्लावर का अलग स्मेल है, अलग अलग स्मेल, कभी रोज का स्मेल, कभी हिबिस्कस का स्मेल, कभी जैस्मिन का स्मेल, अलग अलग फ्लावर्स के अलग अलग स्मेल मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे कारण ही महसूस कर सकती हूँ. Perfumes, clean sheets, dinner as it's cooking, the smell of fire, the smell of fire burning on a winter night, the smell of camphor, the smell of air on a summer's day, and the smell of freshly cut grass, and the smell of earth after the rain. कितनी अच्छी खुशबू आती है जब पहली बार बारिश होती है और जो गीली मिट्टी की खुशबू आती है. Just go back in time and space and remember all the things that you can smell because of this one part in your body. आप breathe in कर सकते हैं, breathe out कर सकते हैं because of this part of your body. So say thank you, my nose, for the wonderful sense of smell that you give. Because of you, I have this sense. I can experience this sense of smell. Thank you. I love you. And then the sense of touch. Bring your focus to the skin which is the covering around your bones, your muscles, your tissues. Just imagine अगर ये covering हमारे flesh के ऊपर नहीं होती तो हमारे body कैसी दिखती? That sense of touch wouldn't have been there. You would never be able to differentiate between hot and cold, garam, ठंडा, soft and sharp. जब हम कोई चीज को छूते हैं तो जो softness feel होती है, it's because of that sense of touch. Because of that skin which is giving us the sense of touch. You would never be able to feel objects or physically express your love. हम जब किसी अपने loved ones को जब हम टच करते हैं, हम अपने बच्चे को टच करते हैं, अपने पेट को टच करते हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स को टच करते हैं, that loving touch is felt only because of this sense of touch of our skin. It allows you to touch your loved ones with a reassuring. जब हम किसी को हग करते हैं, जब हम किसी से गले मिलते हैं और जो वो touch feel hota hai, that is because of that layer of skin on the flesh. And that touch of a hand from one human being to another is one of the most precious things in my life. जब कोई हमें प्यार से टच करता है तो कितना अंदर से कितनी खुशी महसूस होती है. We feel so happy, so joyful, so contented, so peaceful, and something opens up in our heart. So thank you for my precious sense of touch. Thank you, my skin. Thank you. You can gently touch your skin. You can touch your any part of your body. It could be your face, it could be any part of your body. And then bring the focus to the miracle of your eyes, which enable you to see the faces of your loved ones, your friends, your kids. जब पहली बार हमने अपने माता पिता को देखा था, all of us, the face of my mother, the face of my father, the face of my child. How did I feel? How was it possible? It was only possible because of these two wonderful eyes. I can read books right now also. How I'm reading something is only possible because of my eyes. I can read the newspapers and emails. I can watch my favorite serial, my favorite show on the television, and I can see the beauty of nature. जो कलर्स है हमारे चारों तरफ, जो ट्री है, जो जो प्लांट्स है, जो अलग अलग कलर, ग्रीन कलर है तो भी अलग अलग शेड्स ऑफ ग्रीन. And I can see the sky, different colors in the sky. When the sun is rising, the color of the sky is completely different. There is a patch of pink, sometimes orange, sometimes red, sometimes yellow, and sometimes purple. अलग अलग colors हम देख सकते हैं because of you, my eyes. एंड जब सूर्य अस्त होता है तो हम अलग ही कुछ कलर देख पाते हैं. So just visualize, just be as vivid as you can. Visualize every detail that we are hearing, or maybe your imagination can take you somewhere else. Feel free to fly in that world of imagination and visualize the things for you. Because हम क्यों कैसे विजुलाइज कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज हमने ये देखी है अपनी खुली आंखों से ये सब चीज को. एंड अभी जब हम आंखें बंद करके अपने अंदर जा रहे हैं, तो all that is possible because of our wonderful eyes. And just imagine and put yourself in a position where you are blindfolded for an hour. आप कुछ नहीं देख अपनी बाहरी दुनिया को. And then you will understand and appreciate, understand the importance of your eyes. So say thank you, my eyes. Thank you so much. Because of you, I can see the beauty of the world around me, and also the beauty of the world inside me, within me. Whatever is there outside, whatever I have seen outside, I have put those memories inside my brain, inside my body, in my inner world. Thank you, my eyes. Now bring your focus to your ears. Think about your ears. If you want, you can go and touch your ears. Touch your ears, and you will, with the sense of touch, the ears will feel so happy. Thank you, my ears, which enable you to hear your own voice and other people's voices. Just now you're hearing this, you're following whatever you're hearing. Thank you, my ears. Without my ears, my sense of hearing would not be possible. I would not be able to hear the voice on the other side of the phone. I would not be able to hear the music. I would not be able to hear the radio. and I can hear the sound of my loved ones, even they are thousands of miles away. Still, I can hear their sound. How? Through my ears. मैं जब अपने फोन को अपने कानों के पास लेके जाती हूँ, तो मुझे अपने नियर एंड डियर वंस की, जो मुझसे काफी दूर है, उनकी आवाज सुन सकती हूँ. And or any other sound जो मैं सुनना चाहती हूँ. The sound of nature, the sound of the wind, the sound of the fire, the sound of the rising sun, the sound of so many other things that I'm able to hear is only because of you, my ears, my sense of hearing. So thank you, my ears, for giving me that sense of hearing. And now bring your focus to your brain, which is such an important part of your body, which processes over 1 million messages in a second. And it just tells your body how to move. It is actually my brain that enables me, that gives me that sense and experience of life. So, right now, also, when I'm imagining and I'm visualizing, I'm using the right side of my brain, which is the imaginative brain. And there is no computer technology in the world that can duplicate it. It's impossible. Say thank you for my brain and my beautiful mind, my creative mind, my intellectual mind, my imaginative mind. Thank you so much for being there. Now think about the trillions of cells. अपने फोकस को अपने बॉडी के अंदर लेके जाइए. जो हमारी बॉडी में कोशिकाएं हैं, जो सेल्स हैं, which are working unceasingly 24/7 for my health, for my body, and for my life. It is said that the cells keep on dying and regenerating. Every moment, so many cells are dying and so many cells are regenerating. Thank you, my cells. Think about your life sustaining organs, जो हमारी किडनीज है, जो हमारे लिवर है, जो हमारे pancreas है, gallbladder, my lungs, all are made up of so many cells which continuously filter, clean, and renew everything in your body. Think about the fact that they do all their work automatically without even having to think about it. Everything, our body is a beautiful machinery. Everything is happening in coordination. You know, everything is being coordinated inside. How? Say thank you, my organs. Thank you for working perfectly, perfectly, because of which I'm able to sit up straight now. I'm able to sit and be in this session. Thank you, my organs. Thank you. Thank you so much. But more miraculous than any other sense system or function or any other organ in our body is the organ of love, is my heart. That is the organ of love. That is the organ of unconditional love. It doesn't ask anything. It doesn't say that मैं जब से आपने फर्स्ट ब्रेथ ली है मैं धड़क रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ चाहिए इसके रिटर्न में. It never says that. वो सिर्फ धड़कता रहता है. And your heart governs the life of every other organ. Because of your heart, it is that your life is flowing. Life is flowing. Life is flowing in every system in your body. Be it your nervous system, be it your cardiovascular system, be it your digestive system, be it your any other system. Just it is possible only because of the heart. It's because of you, my heart, because of you who is just pumping blood into all the parts of my body. This blood flow which I'm experiencing right now is possible only because of you. The oxygenated blood is pumped into all the parts of my body, and the deoxygenated blood flows back into you, and you purify it again. Thank you, my heart. Thank you, because of which I can feel, I can sense. Thank you so much. So just say thank you for my strong and healthy heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now just be in this space for some time, bringing the mind back to your breaths before you actually open your eyes. Yes. So anybody has any sharing? How did you feel after doing this visualization? When you open your eyes, how did the world feel? The same space where you were sitting 20 minutes back, and when you opened your eyes, what is the shift that has taken place, if any? Yes, anybody wants to share anything? You can write it on the chat. Yes, it was awesome. Never felt like this before.
Yeah, Vandana,
Yes.
today in the morning I wake up, मेरा राइट हैंड में बहुत पेन था.
Okay.
जस्ट अभी मैंने ये रियलाइजेशन किया कि अपनी ये कर रहे थे सेशन विजुअलाइजेशन का,
हाँ जी.
मतलब पेन है ही नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Gone out.
Wonderful. That's so amazing.
तो
Yes.
बार बार हाथ को दबा के देख रही हूँ.
हाँ, because
कहाँ पेन है क्या, बट नॉट.
so yeah, so never doubt whatever has happened in your body. You know, again, it's have faith in whatever has taken place and keep on doing this, keep on doing this, keep on feeling. So every morning when we wake up, or at times when you are in your own with yourself and there is nobody, then there's no external distractions, or maybe the first thing in the morning when you go to take bath, you can do this exercise, or any other time when you feel like. Gently touch all the parts of your body one by one and say thank you. Yes, and the more and more you feel it, the more and more you will experience the changes. Anybody else feel very my oh wow, my feel my knee pain's gone. Wow, that's so wonderful. Hina ji, very beautiful you have shared. Feel very light and relaxed. Very good. Lovely. Yeah, so let's read ahead. Now now read from here. Next, take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in big, bold letters. So now the book is telling us what to do. Yes.
From where actually?
It's on the screen. Next, take a piece
Of
of
your
paper or
senses.
Yes.
Of your senses.
1 minute. So from here. Next, take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in big bold letters. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Read from the next para. Take the card with you today.
Okay. Take the card with you today and put it in a place where you know you will see it often. If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you are a driver, put it in a place in your car or truck where you will see it often. If you are at home, most of the time you can put it where you wash your hands or near your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written often.
Yes, so now it is telling us that take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in big bold letters. You can write it in colorful, with a colorful pen, or you can write it in big bold letters. If you are writing in Hindi, स्वास्थ्य का उपहार मुझे जीवित रखता है. If you are writing in English, the gift of health is keeping me alive. And where do you place the card? Put it in a place where you can see it very often. You could place it in front of, in your bathroom, or in a desk where if you are a student, you're working, you can put it on a desk. If you're in your office, you can put it just in your office desk, or in the opposite wall, where you are sitting, so that you can see it quite often. It comes in front of your eyes. If you're a driver, you can place it in a car or truck. And if you're at home most of the time, you can place it where you wash your hands, near the wash basin. We go to the wash basin plenty of times to wash our hands. So you can place it there. You can place it in your kitchen. You can place it on your fridge, with a magnet. You can just place it there. Or you can use it near your phone. Choose a place where you can be creative. Choose a place where you feel that you will be able to see it more often. It will come in front of your eyes. Yes, today on at least, please read ahead.
Today on at least 4 separate occasions of your, when you see the words, read them very slowly, one word at a time, and feel as grateful as you can for the gift of health.
Yes.
Being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better with increasing energy and zest for life. If gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatment, we would see a health revolution and recovery rate and miracles like we have never seen before.
Yes, so beautiful. The last para. Being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health. It's not only that, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better. This is not the end. This is just a glimpse of what we have got. आज जो हमने किया है is just, we have just touched that area. हमने सिर्फ एक first step लिया है. Now, the more and more we keep on doing it, the more and more we keep on doing it, it will continue to get better. We will become, we'll be able to heal ourselves. We will become a healer. We will be able to heal ourselves, and also we'll be able to heal others. If gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatments, so it would be so beautiful if the doctors, the medical doctors, the medical field also starts, if it's combined with the medical field, what the medical field teaches, medical field does, if it's combined with that, you will see a health revolution. एक क्रांति आ जाएगी health की area में, and people will be able to recover much faster, and miracles will take place like we have never seen before. And we all have heard about such miracles. People have healed themselves, out of, even people have healed themselves of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, many years of diabetes, thyroid, many years of thyroid problems. They are on medication. Just by visualizing and paying gratitude and being thank you actually have, people have actually, I have come across in my professional field many people who have reversed their lifestyle diseases, hypertension, diabetes. So these aches and pains are little small things, but even chronic diseases, diabetes, hypertension, cancer, a disease like cancer, which the medical field says there is no reversal, there is no treatment, but that disease is cured because of being grateful, accepting whatever you have created for yourself, like you've taken charge of your life. These are the results that we have seen. Many of us will agree to it. Many of us must have experienced with our loved and near and dear ones. Yes, somebody wants to share something. Anybody wants to share something? I could hear somebody's voice. Yes. So magic practice number 4. Magical health. Yes, Usha ji, are you there?
Yeah.
Magical practice number 4.
Yeah.
Magical health.
Magic practice number 4, magical health. First, repeat step 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, and feel gratitude for each one.
Number 2.
Second, on a piece of paper or card, write the words, the gift of health is keeping me alive. Third, place the piece of paper with your written words where you know you will see it often today. Fourth, on at least 4 occasions, read the words very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of health. Fifth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. So we all have understood the assignment, what we have to do. Number 1 is always the same, repeat, count your blessings. And before we go ahead, I just want to ask, is everybody clear with how to write the count your blessings? What time do we have to write? So we write early in the morning, preferably the first 45 minutes after you have woken up, because that space at that point we are in a subconscious state of mind. Yes. And also, if I just want to make sure that everybody has made their dream list. If you haven't as yet, then please make your dream list today itself. And also, if you are so for those of us who are new, just who have joined yesterday, when you make your dream list, just let it be in the present tense. Don't say I want, I have. Just feel that you already have got. उसको आपको वैसे ही महसूस करके लिखना है. You already have got. Okay. So the first step is that you count your blessings. The second step of today's assignment is that on a piece of paper, write the words, स्वास्थ्य का उपहार मुझे जीवित रखता है, या the gift of health is keeping me alive, and put it at a place. उसको आपको लगा के रखना है, ऐसी जगह पे रखिए. आप चाहे तो उसको लैमिनेट भी कर सकते हैं ताकि वो स्पॉइल नहीं हो. And then you can place it wherever you feel that you will be able to see it more often. And also it says that at least on 4 occasions read the words. अगर आप याद नहीं आता है तो पहले हमको हैबिट में डालने के लिए एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 4 बार उसे जरूर पढ़ना है. उससे ज्यादा पढ़ेंगे तो और अच्छा, उसके इफेक्ट को आप और मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. पर मिनिमम 4 times you have to read. And just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Yes, that's our assignment for today. I would suggest, if you haven't done today's assignment, I mean the morning, if you haven't written the 10 things you are grateful for before you came to the session, please write it immediately after the session. And if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please ask me before we end today's session. So I'm glad it's just 10 minutes past 7. We are quite on time. Yes. So anybody has anything to ask, anybody has anything to share, any sharings, any doubt clearings, you can ask me now before we end today's session. Yes, no, you can unmute yourself and ask. Anybody wants to share, anybody wants to ask? Okay, if there is no doubt, thank you everyone for being in this session today morning, and have a beautiful, wonderful and magical, healthy day. Thank you so much. Thank you. And
Thank you. Thank you.
see you
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
See you tomorrow.